Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about the new FlutterFlow feature, FlutterFlow Local Run. With this feature we can test our FlutterFlow application locally or in an iOS simulator, and this way we will have unlimited test session and we can even debug the application with a lot more ways using developer tools. Let's see how we can set it up. So first of all, you will download the FlutterFlow desktop application. Currently it's only available in macOS. I have it downloaded and set it up. I have this application open and I will open the same application in FlutterFlow desktop, and let's go. So this is the application in FlutterFlow desktop application, and now I can configure the application to test it locally. So first of all, you will configure the Flutter SDK and you will go to configure and set up Flutter, and this will download the Flutter SDK for you, and once installed, you will click continue and this will run Flutter Doctor that will analyze if there are any issues with your installation. So let's see. Okay, it's completed. Here you can see I don't have any issues with any of my installation, and I can see where each of these libraries have been installed, and then I can start testing it. So let's continue and see which device I want to test my application on. Here you can select the devices you want to test the application on. You can select one or many, and let's say I want to test the application on iOS simulator, and that is not shown here. I can scroll down and click launch iOS simulator and then hit refresh. If I hit refresh, that will fetch new devices that are connected with my macOS. Let's see. So here you can see I have iPhone 15 Pro shown, that is core simulator, and now I can test my application on this simulator, and let's continue. And here I have this iOS simulator already opened, and I can just drag it down here. Let's test the application on simulator now. I hit continue and now I test the application, and selected device will build the application, and here I can see the logs about the status if there are any issues. Here it says what's the current status, and I can check the device logs here. So once the device logs are ready, the device log will show the status of the application. Once the application is built, it will indicate Xcode build done. And here I can hot reload the application, do lots of different things. And here I have my application loaded. I can simply test the application, see if it's working fine and looking great. Let's say I want to change the color of this container to a different one. I go back to my project, and just like in FlutterFlow, I go back, change the color to a different one, and then hot reload. I can hot reload from here as well as in device logs. Let's do it from here as it's much easier. And here you can see the color of the app has changed right away. So this is a great way to test the application. There is no limit of this test mode, so you can test it as much as you like. And I hope you like this video, so stay tuned for more.